Good morning, students. In this video, we will solve the indices questions related to laws, right? So in this question 6, first of all, we need to convert into radical, right? Radical means in the root form, and then we need to simplify them, right? So the first part of question number 6 is A is 81 1 over 2, right? So as you know that the value of radical is half, right? So here 1.5 converted into a root, okay? So as we know that what is the square root of 81? The square root of 81 is 9. This is the answer, right? Now the B part. B is minus 27 and 1 over 3. Okay, so 1 over 3 means that it's a cube root. Okay, so convert this minus 27, 1 over 3 into cube root. Okay, now you need the factors of 27, like when we multiply 3 times, you will get other 27, because here it's a cube root, no? So you need 3 numbers, 3 factors here. So when you multiply, you will get 27. So when we multiply minus 3 times, so we get 27 and minus 3 will be your answer, right? Because 3 pairs here and it's 3 here, it's 3 here, and these are the 3 pairs. So just cancel them and just will take minus 3 as the answer. Okay, now part C has little different question. It's 32 and minus 1 over 5. So here the value is in negative, right? So whenever there is an exponent negative, so you need to convert it into a positive. So 32 here, 32 is a whole number, so 32 over 1. In the denominator, there is 1 here. So when we reciprocal it, it becomes 1 over 32, and the exponent automatically becomes positive. So 1 over 32, and it will become 1 over 5, right? Okay, so as we know that it's 1 over 5 here, so we convert this into radical 5, root 5, and 32 will be inside here. Okay, now we need to make the factors. When we multiply the same digit into 5 times, you will get 32. So the prime factors of 32 are like when we multiply 2 5 times, we'll get 32. So basically this 5 will give you the hint. The radical value 5 is given the hint that you need to multiply the same number 5. You need to choose that number. So the prime factors of 32 like 2 5 times, right? 2, so 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16 and 16 twos are 32. So we just cancel with this radical and 2 will come outside, right? So 1 over 2 is the answer. Okay. And now question 7. Question 7 says evaluate each of the following without using a calculator, right? So here the first part is 216 to raised to the power 2 over 3. We will learn in the laws that if the power is like 2 or 3, we break into this 1 over 3 times 2, right? So 216 here. So this 2 over 3, na, the 2 over 3 multiply, like we need to break it. So 1 over 3 times 2. Why I did this 1 over 3? Because I want to convert this 216 into a radical. So 1 over 3 is converted into a radical form, right? So here 216 and the radical value should be 3 here and it's square on this number 216, right? So now you need a number when you multiply the same number, when you multiply 200, same number multiplied thrice, you will get 216. So the factors, like prime factors, you can say 216. It's 6 into 6 into 6. 6 is actually not the prime factor, but when we multiply 6 three times, we will get 216. If you're having a problem to do this directly, you can find out with the help of LCM, right? So 216 L method. We need to find out the factors like 2 tens are 20, 2 eights are 16, 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, and then 3 ones are 10. So these are the prime factors of 216. So here, when we are finding the cube root, so we make the pairs um, of 3 digits, 3 same digits actually, and here same digits. So 2 will take as a common here and then times this 3. So when you multiply 2 times 3, it gives you 6, right? So directly, if we know the factors of 216, so it's 6 into 6 into 6. When we multiply 6 3 times, we'll get 216 here. So I'm doing it directly. 6 times 6 times 6. Okay. And of course, there is a square outside. So here we'll just take 6 to the power square. Sorry. And this 6 to the power square, 6 to the power square gives you 36. This is the answer. Now, next question is 16 1.5. Okay. 16 1. Now it's a decimal here. So you just bring this 1.5 into a fraction form right? Because we need this in the fraction form, so then we will convert into a radical form, right? So 16, when we convert this 1.5 into a fraction, it becomes 15 over 10, right? And then simplify it, it gives you 3 over 2. 5 threes and 5 twos. Now break this 3 over 2 into 1 over 2 into 3. And this 1 over 2 convert into a radical. So 16 under square root, and 3 will be outside. Okay. So what is the square root of 16? Square root of 16 is 4 the power cube. So the answer is 64, right? Okay. Now next question, it's C part. C1 is 81 81 the power 3 over 4 minus sign 9 to the power minus 3 over 2. Okay, now here again we need to convert this 3 over 4 into two parts, right? 1 over 4 and then 3 separately. So 81. So here it's written 3 over 4 now. So we separate it into 1 over 4 into 3 minus 9 minus 3. Acha. Before that, students, what we need to do, this is the second one is in the negative form now. So first of all, bring it into a positive. So how are you going to bring this exponent into a positive? By reciprocal. Okay, as we have done in the previous questions, how are you going to convert this negative power into a positive? By reciprocal then. So 1, 9, 3 over 2. Okay. So now this one is 81. 1 over 4 means the radical value is 4 here. 3 is the power. Okay. Minus sign 1. 9 supposed to be like 1 over 2 times 3. Okay. Now we need the factors of 81. When we multiply the same digit 4 times, we'll get 81. So think what number is supposed to be 3, right? So 3, yeah, 3. So 3, how many times? 4 times. 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27, and 27 threes are 81. And still the power we have outside, okay? So same goes here. You need like what is the square root of 9, and the power will remain 3 outside. Okay, I'm doing it here. The rest of the part I'm doing it here. Okay, so here this 4, and we will take out 1 3 to the power cube minus 1. What is the square root of 9? It's 3 to the power 3. Acha, here students, we cannot cancel this, the first 3 to the power cube to this cube. Never and ever, okay? Because the reason is that there is a negative sign between them. So we cannot do this. It's totally wrong. Okay, so 3 gives you 27. Minus 1 over 27. So here it's right, and of course the top side is also 27, right? So just multiply and tell me what would be the answer for this one. So 7 into it's 729 minus 1. So 728 over 27. Okay, this is the answer.